Meow. So this is a really quick little gesture sketch. Just kind of mapping out the kitty head. That's a paw right there. Sleeping kitten. And all those lines I add, it's me finding my way. Don't be afraid to show how you found your way. There's so much learning involved in these little gesture sketches. I'm just really aiming at keeping my pen moving here. And I challenge you to do lots of these and just let them be what they are. Don't go to details, just go to the general shapes of the cat's body. Just adding a little bit, some toes in there, some toe lines. Just using my intuition to kind of feel where that eye needs to be. We do have a Facebook group. You'll find the link for that group in the video description below. And we'd be happy if you join if you really are passionate about drawing cats. Once you do a few gesture sketches like this, your overall sketching and drawing and your artwork overall improves. Improves. So I challenge you to do lots of these quick gesture sketches. Thank you so much for watching this one.